Fine, moi, they for sale. Fine, oh my God. When I went to sell my moi-moi, I cooked very delicious moi-moi. Guys, moi-moi is for business. Yes, it's not serious. Moi-moi, I am at this one. You see when man go do business now. Moi-moi, I will say, fine, moi-moi. Therefore, you go buy. If you buy moi-moi, I beg you for, you go buy. Okay, okay. Therefore, I'm going to show the bottom of the buy. We can sell it. Hey, that boy. Thank you. Business, so I don't say. See, my mama, they go on wine. Hey, mama, they go on wine. Don't you want? Okay. Now, me, ma. Hey, okay. Thank you. Hi, I put that. I do one day. May give Madame pass. I may give her children. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you, God. I don't say why. Okay, my big go. My big go. Thank you. Yes, my moi-moi I cooked. I'm going to sell. Guys, what am I showing you guys is because people need to sell market, make business, any kind business. If you know how to cook and go and sell. So when I'm waiting at the show and say, you feel cook and carry and for your head go sell. Now when me I they go sell like this now, I get customer where don't command my moi-moi. Better moi-moi when they take wine do am. You don't chop am before. Abi moi where they take wine do am. My on a moi see as why my gain weight. Now what they tell that person say he gain weight. Sorry that the voice that we record when we're doing the video, the thing never came out well. So that's why I'm doing voiceover for some part of the video. So sorry guys, voiceover for some part of the video and the real voice for some part of the video, because I had to remove the voice on part of the video. So business is a good thing. Don't get it twisted, guys. Look at what I'm doing. I'm going to sell moi-moi. So if you're watching me out there, you think you can't sell this type of a thing, you think you can't do it. That's what I was asking. That can't you do it? You are ashamed. Some of you, when your mothers and your parents are doing this type of business, you are ashamed. Girls of these days, boys of these days, they are ashamed to say, okay, my parents are selling this type of thing. I cannot be beside there to watch them. This. My people, you are making a mistake. Don't play. This is business that fed some of us, that fed many families, send them to big schools when they knew that they were nobody. But this thing made them food